If you are interested in this makeup look, this hair, these beautiful Lauryn Hill earrings, head over to my Instagram and follow me there. All the details about everything I ever wear on this channel will be on my Instagram page. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. As you can see, I have a new background behind me and I'm still working out the kinks, but I'm super excited to have this set up because now I can film anywhere, anytime. I'll mainly still be at home, but I don't have to clean up my space before I can create content for you guys. So let's get into the assembly of these items that I purchased, and I'll give you the exact information on where you can find your own. The first item that I purchased from Amazon is the E-Mark T-shaped portable background backdrop support stand, and it is 5 feet wide and it goes up to 8.5 feet tall. The assembly of the stand was amazing. It was super duper easy. Right out of the box, I could tell exactly where everything went. It has these 4 big clamps that I'm pretty sure have a technical name, but they are big clamps to me, and they hold whatever backdrop you have on the stand. This stand retailed on Amazon for $44.99. I got it on Prime, so I got it within 2 days. And I also purchased a white backdrop to go with it. Now, as you can see behind me, the backdrop still has a few wrinkles, but I was able to steam it, which is so amazing. I purchased a $10 steamer and everything came on the same day. So the name of this backdrop is the Newer 6x9 feet Photo Studio 100% pure muslin collapsible backdrop background. And I actually have mine folded over because I didn't need the full 9 feet in length. But if I do want to put it up on a taller stand or even raise this stand up to the 8.5 feet, I could do that with this cloth. I purchased this cloth for $16.99, and like I said, I did have to steam it because it comes folded up. If you are a stickler for wrinkles, if you really hate wrinkles, you're going to need to steam this. I think it would be better if they were to ship it on a roll and there would be fewer wrinkles, but even doing that, it still needs to be folded over. The steamer that I purchased is a Perfect Day garment steamer, and it was $10.99. I also got that on Prime, and it came with my other items. It is a really good investment because I know that I'll be making quite a few videos and taking photos. So I wanted to have a setup where I didn't always have to have my workspace in the background. I could just have a clean white background and could do so much more with it. So guys, that's it. I'm going to continue to work out the kinks for this background, but I am so happy to have it. I can take it places when I need to. I can leave it set up if I want to. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and follow me on Instagram at Conversations with Candace. Until next time, y'all have a great day.